What's up, everyone? Here live with our 2021 Mosaic football Cello box break. 12 packs inside. Give people 1 minute to join here. So we will get off and going here in 1 moment. And then we'll get ripping. Just 1 more minute here, and then we'll get off and started. Right. Our 12 sealed cello packs inside. All right, there are those, and we'll go start off with 3 at a time, and we'll go from there. Good luck. Everyone is all paid. Alright, so 1 base pack and 1 camo pack per pack, so 15 total cards. What's up, Dale? I did not. I was in Chicago for the day, so I haven't really seen him much this weekend. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Derek Carr green to the AFC Raiders. Devontae Parker hollow to the Dolphins. 71 Yaz. Send me a picture, Dale. You selling them? Patrick Surtain the second. Zach Wilson base rookie. Patrick Mahomes base. Jerry Jeudy and Daz Newsome. Rookie Mosaic to the Bears. Rashad Bateman rookie green. And Curtis Martin Hall of Fame. I'd like to see him whether you're selling them or not, but show me a picture. I'll send all the nice stuff to him. Said this last break, but our camera quality is kind of funky right now. I'm not sure what's going on, but yeah, of course he did. Maybe he'll give them to me. Yeah, I just started collecting vintage. He got me into it, so I got like, I think I'm up to 6 or 7 nicer cards, I would say. I got some stuff that needs to go to SGC, so Jamar Jefferson, Quentin Nelson, green, Touchdown Masters Nick Chubb, Noah Gray, and Caleb Farley. Right, and our 3 pink packs. Von Miller, Gary Brightwell, rookie. Jalen Smith, Rashawn Slater, rookie. Dak Prescott, Lamar Jackson, Javon Holland, rookie, to the Dolphins. Yeah, I'll make sure they end up in the right hands, Dale. That is the one thing that's so hard about vintage, and it's part of what makes them so valuable. Is it's really hard to find ones that are in nice condition, whether it's, you know, damaged, you know, edges, corners, centering, writing is obviously a big one. I mean, now you never see people writing on cards. There's one card. We buy a lot of collections, and newer wise, there's only ever been one card that we got that was wrote on, and I'll have to go grab it because I can't even describe. It's a LeBron Jam Masters Mosaic, and Brady base. Whoever owned it before scribbled in where the mosaic is, so it doesn't even look like a parallel. It's just black. And it does catch you off guard for a minute, because you like when I first looked at it, it's not awful. Joe Burrow base. Sorry, I'm scrolling past stuff. CMC green, Jarvis Landry bang. I'll have to go grab it because it's, at least to me, the first time I looked at it, I did not catch it. And then I looked again, and the lines were, I mean, it was a quick look. It's not like I stared at it. Alright, Rob Gronkowski, got game, Davis Mills base. Patrick Mahomes, Super Bowl MVP. Brian Urlacher, mosaic. Hunter Long, rookie green. Patrick Mahomes bang, rookie hollow. Caleb Farley to the Titans. What a bingo. And Javonte Williams, rookie to the Broncos. Alright. And our 3 pink packs. Peyton Manning, Derek Carr, Josh Palmer, rookie. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Kadarius Toney, rookie. Tom Brady, Deion Sanders, Jalen Phillips, Jerry Rice. I'm going to have to go grab LeBron because now I can't stop thinking about it. Shit, I think it's right on the desk. Alright, give me 1 sec because I want to grab it. So it's not bad at first look. It's really, like, quick look, it's not noticeable. But then you look in, and it's just like a kid got a hold of it. He's trying to color inside the lines. I mean, it's not worth much, anyways. But kind of a funny story. All right, back to ripping cards. Was I believe it was scheduled for 11. Believe it was scheduled for 11. Let me double check. Yeah, I guess this is the 11:35 break. Give me 1 sec, guys. We gotta keep going no matter what, but just gotta double check. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, Keith. We will have a full recap at the end for anyone who missed the first 6 packs, currently halfway through. Message a couple people on eBay real quick, then we'll get back and going. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, Keith. Yeah, I'm sure there'll be some other people hopping in as we go, but I'm gonna keep going here. So we are currently we're halfway through 6 packs. Full recap at the end for you guys who missed the first half. Sorry about that. We're supposed to have Topps Baseball later. Topps Baseball was supposed to be in the 11:30 slots, and I guess it just never got posted. So that's why I had this in the schedule for 11 o'clock, but that is my fault. Alright, we are back and going. Halfway through. This is packs 7 through 9. Jarvis Landry. Caleb Farley. Debut. Max Crosby Green. Hollow. Donald Driver. Donald Driver Hollow to the Packers. Travis Etienne Jr. Rookie. Matthew Stafford. Patrick Mahomes base. Michael Strahan green. Touchdown Masters Justin Herbert. Jalen Darden rookie. And Jared Goff. Mosaic to the Lions. Rashawn Slater rookie green. Amari Cooper rookie hollow. Javonte Williams to the Broncos, J.C. Horn and Trevor Lawrence base rookie. Nice card to the Broncos, Javonte Williams rookie hollow. Trevor Lawrence base rookie. And our 3 pink packs. Tom Brady to the Patriots. And Jamar Chase, rookie pink to the Bengals. And bump the Brady's out of there. Kurt Warner, Walter Payton, Burris, Amon-Ra St. Brown, rookie pink, Deion Jones, Devontae Parker, and the Damian Dillon Tomlinson. He had a great end to the year, and his stock actually shot up quite a bit. A lot of his stuff started jumping pretty quickly. Alright, nice 3 packs there, and our final 3 of the break. We will have a full recap at the end for people kind of hopping in and out, and since we ended up starting a little early. Alright, set our 3 pink packs in the back. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Josh Allen, Caleb Farley debut, Jamal Adams green, Joe Burrow will to win, Amari Cooper got game, Jamar Chase base rookie to the Bengals, Adam Thielen and Malcolm Jenkins. Top loaders all dirty. Sure, already got it. I got a Jamar up there. Alright, Patrick Mahomes, AFC base, Justin Fields debut, Najee Harris, green NFL debut, Randy Moss will to win, Mosaic, Vince Skoronek, rookie, Tom Brady, Super Bowl MVP to the Patriots, Jerome Bettis, Deshaun Watson, Josh Allen, green, David Montgomery, and Deion Sanders hollow to the Cowboys, Travis Etienne Jr. rookie, and Rashawn Slater. Alright, and our final 3 packs. Jimmy Collins, Jalen Darden rookie to the Bucks. J.C. Horn rookie to the Panthers, Jerry Rice, Ray Lewis, Khalil Herbert rookie to the Bears, Travis Kelce to the Chiefs. Alright, that is the break. Go ahead and sleeve these up, and then we'll do a quick recap. And then I am out for the night. We're back this week with, I believe, I want to say more Mosaic. I believe it's up on eBay. believe it's up on eBay now. Double check that. So it looks like we've got 3 mega of Mosaic basketball for Tuesday night, and also another one of these breaks. We have another Cello box break on Tuesday night as well. These are both on eBay now. And our recap here. Start off with our veteran parallels. Sort up our color real quick. Alright, hollows. Devontae Parker, Donald Driver, Deion Sanders, greens. Curtis Martin, Nick Chubb, Aaron Rodgers, Josh Allen. Mosaics. Randy Moss, Amari Cooper, Jared Goff, Brian Urlacher, Rob Gronkowski, Christian McCaffrey, and Lamar Jackson pink. Excuse me. Base vets. Same couple guys, but alright, Justin Herbert, touchdown masters. Brady and Brady with the Patriots. Burrow base and will to win. Nice. Patrick Mahomes lot to the Chiefs. Base rookies. Justin Fields, NFL debut. Davis Mills, Javonte Williams. Kyle Pitts, Patrick Surtain II. Color rookies. Newsome rookie Mosaic, Farley rookie hollow, Hunter Long green, Slater green, and all pinks here. J.C. Horn, Jalen Darden, Khalil Herbert, Kadarius Toney, Josh Palmer, Jalen Phillips, Rashawn Slater, Gary Brightwell, and Javon Holland. Zach Wilson base rookie to the Jets. Jamar Chase base rookie to the Bengals. Couple more pink rookies. Amon-Ra St. Brown to the Lions, and 2 Tom Brady's to the Patriots. I guess those aren't rookies. Showcase. Trevor Lawrence base rookie to the Jaguars. Javonte Williams rookie hollow to the Broncos. Rashad Bateman rookie green to the Ravens. Najee Harris NFL debut rookie green to the Steelers. Hulk smash hit of the break. Jamar Chase rookie camo pink to the Cincinnati Bengals. Thanks everyone so much for hanging out here tonight. Back Tuesday with a couple more breaks, Mosaic basketball and Mosaic football. Hope to see you guys then. Those are live on eBay now. Go check them out. And we hope to see you guys on Tuesday night. Thanks everyone for hanging out, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.